guys, welcome back to another kitchen adventures. So it has gotten quite late. It is 8:15 and I haven't had anything to eat yet today because I just haven't really felt that well. So I am just gonna do one meal today, and I didn't really even feel like doing anything terribly creative. So this is gonna be pretty straightforward. I do want to show you though, because I'm kind of excited. I had ordered this. So this is a little ceramic infrared burner that I can use in here to cook on. For my cook with me's, which I'm kind of excited about. I didn't realize though that I needed a different type of extension cord. So I've got one of those on order, but yay, I'm a gadget girl. I like things like that. Okay, dinner. I didn't want anything complicated, but part of the problem that I'm having today, you've probably heard me talk about, I have a condition called POTS, which is it's a blood pressure related problem. And today I've been running really, really low. So I'm not hitting my sodium target like I should be. So I cracked open a jar of olives, and I'm gonna have some olives with, if you saw yesterday, I had some watermelon crunch salad from Taylor Farms. And I have what's left of the lettuce from that, what's left of the dressing, and the other part of the almonds. I really just don't feel, I'm not even going to cut up any more veggies or anything. I'm going to throw some olives in there for some salt, and I'm going to have that as a side. And then I really, really like these chicken meatballs. And when Kroger has them on sale, I always buy them and put them in the freezer. And they only had one pack of these, the Italian style ones, but they also had some pork teriyaki pineapple chicken sausages as well. And they had those on sale. So I bought some of those, haven't tried those yet. I will put a picture of the ingredient label and the nutrition label because it's really, really nice. These are 180 calories for 4 meatballs. I'm gonna have 8. I haven't eaten anything yet today, so I'm going to have 8 of those. And then I just grabbed some Yukon Gold potatoes, and I've already weighed these out. So I've just got those, and I'm going to have that with some Greek yogurt. So salad, meatballs, potatoes, Greek yogurt, and that'll be me. I don't need, these are already fully cooked, so I don't really need to do anything except cook the potatoes. And then I'll show you what it's like at the end. All right, so here we are. Salad with just those roasted almonds and the watermelon crunch dressing, olives, potato, Greek yogurt, and the meatballs. These are so good I don't even need a sauce with them. But that is going to be dinner.